is 25 marks, 100 marks total. And section B is 2 questions, each carries 25 marks. After this, we will go through our syllabus contents. So, syllabus contents for accounting 9706 A2. First of all, we will learn manufacturing account, then non-profit organizations. After that, partnership dissolution. Dissolution, both individual assets sold. We have learned this one type in AS, but we will repeat here. And A2, especially partnership dissolution, where business is sold as a whole. And after this, purchase of business. Purchase of business, when any company purchases a partnership business or sole traders business. After this, company business फाइनल अकाउंट्स. कंपनी बिजनेस फाइनल अकाउंट्स के साथ साथ here are IASs in our syllabus. IAS 8, IAS 10, IAS 36, 37 and 38. 5 ASs are in our syllabus. With this, we will learn auditing, then joint venture account, consignment account. After this, computerized accounting. These topics are for our section A. Section B topics. This is activity based costing. After this, budgeting. Then investment, appraisal, and the last topic is standard costing. So if you see, these are almost 14 topics which we will cover in our A2 syllabus. So normally we will cover in this order which is written on the board. First of all, we will start from manufacturing account. Manufacturing account. This topic we have also covered in our O-levels syllabus, and we will see that almost 90% topic is same. Few points are extra guidelines here. So first of all, we will learn manufacturing account. We already know manufacturing account, manufacturing business, a business where some raw material is processed and any fine product is attained. So this is very basic understanding, we already know. So here we will learn whatever we produce, we manufacture in our firm, how to get its cost. So when we start manufacturing account, first of all, here is raw material. So start from raw material, its opening stock, RM for raw material. We add here purchases, and this purchases is for raw material. We subtract any purchase returns and any carriage inward on raw material. This is added in the format, and closing stock is subtracted. The finally attained value is named as raw material consumed. After raw material working, we add here direct labor. Direct labor is also named as factory wages. Further, we add here any direct expense. Normally, this is given with the name royalties. Any direct expense, royalties. So when we add these three components, the value obtained is named as prime cost. Prime cost. Prime cost, its simple definition is sum of direct expenses. This is not necessary to mention here. This is just to understand what is meant by prime cost. So total of direct expenses. So this is direct material, then direct labor, and any direct expense. In our scenarios, this is given with the name of royalties normally. If any other direct expense is given, its name is just direct expense. Normally there is no other name. So direct expense is added, direct material, direct labor, and any direct expense. These three components, when we add, the value obtained is named as prime cost. इससे बड़ा क्या करना? हाँ चले ठीक. After prime cost, further we add indirect expenses. Indirect expenses, also named as overheads. Overheads are indirect expenses. These are what? For example, factory rent, factory utility bills. Factory means a production department. In the same way, factory depreciation. And further, our production supervisor salary. Production supervisor or production manager, its salary is added, and after making total, this prime cost and these indirect expenses total is added, and the value obtained is named as such nothing. There is no name for this value. Further, we add opening stock of work in progress. Work in progress. and we subtract closing stock. This is of work in progress. And finally, this value is named as cost of production. Cost of production, production cost, or manufacturing cost. Any name we can put here. So this is the stage which we learned in O-levels syllabus. At this stage in A2, there is only one further adjustment we will learn here. That is, after getting cost of production, we add here that is factory profit, and this factory profit is calculated as a percentage of cost of production. This value, cost of production, with this value, on this value, we will get a percentage of cost of production. This percentage will be given in the scenario, 15%, 10%, 20%, whatever. So percentage is calculated. This value will be added in cost of production, and the last value is named as transfer price. The final value is named as transfer price after adding factory profit in the value of cost of production. So this one line adjustment is new here, but when this adjustment is made here, there are some further adjustments we will learn inshallah. So if you see, the simple format of manufacturing account is, first of all, we work for raw material consumed. We add here direct labor or factory wages and any direct expense, and the total value is named as prime cost. In the value of prime cost, we further add indirect expenses or overheads. That can be different expenses: factory rent, factory bills, factory depreciation, and production supervisor or production manager salary. When these total expenses are added, the value obtained named as such nothing. After this, we add work in progress opening stock, and closing stock of work in progress is subtracted, and the value obtained is named as cost of production. In cost of production, we add factory profit. Factory profit is obtained with multiplying a percentage on cost of production. Cost of production and added factory profit, the final value is named as transfer price. So here are some new terms we will explain in few minutes. Kitna time hai class? Okay. In the next session. Okay. Question answer. Okay, students. Today we have learned this format. Please do revise this one format. Here are some new terms I will explain definitely. And after 5 minutes, there is question answer session. Inshallah, any confusion you can discuss. Just wait for 5 minutes.